This is the deep infrared camera by Moditronic.com. Everything within the full spectrum range of deep infrared. That's why it has that purple tint to it. Looks like it's going to storm, but only on the camera, but for some reason it looks like it's going to storm. But it's clear as a bell. If the ground's not too cold, I'll walk on it and take off the plastic. It's beautiful. Very beautiful. This is the deep infrared camcorder by Moditronic, and you can visit them and pick one up for under $200 at www.moditronic.com. Very clear. Does a very good job with the full HD capabilities.